Hello everyone, Emi Polito here from Amped Software. Welcome back to yet another update video. We are deep into the fall season, meaning you have probably got a lot of casework going on, and we've got a lot of software to develop for you. And we don't intend to let you down in this respect. Well, this time around we have updated Amped Authenticate, your trusted companion for image or video integrity verification and authentication. Let's go and discover the new features together right now. So, we'll start with the image mode, and as you probably know, synthetic imagery generation is quickly becoming an enemy which is getting better as we speak and ever so affordable. We need to stay on top of things, right? And so, with this update of Amped Authenticate, we bring you some significant updates with the program's ability to detect deepfakes. For starters, we have changed the filter output of the diffusion model deepfake filter. When you click on the filter, you will get a visual rendition of the full image in question, and this will be surrounded by a thick red outline if the confidence score for diffusion model generation is high enough. You will still be able to see tabular data, which is available by a dedicated button in the filter settings. The results of this table have now also been simplified to show more reliable results. We have also added the ability to batch process the filter for a series of images in a folder, making it extremely quick to segregate dubious images amongst many. And finally, we have improved the integration of both the GAN and the diffusion model deepfake filters within the Smart Report, so you can now see immediately suspicious AI-generated images in the document. Let's move on to the video mode and talk about improvements to the player that we have added to this update. You will now be able to jump to a specific frame number just by typing it in the player panel. The relevant text box is located to the right of the playback buttons. All you have to do is type the frame number of interest with your keyboard and press enter to immediately access it in the viewer. And what about the report generation? Well, we have made improvements to both the image and video mode reports that we think you will really appreciate. We have added a more comprehensive list of input file information for both the image and video modes. For the image mode, you now have resolution and other useful metadata. And for video, you also have important information such as frame rate and more. And as well as fixing bugs, we continue to make other logical performance and behavioral improvements to the program. First of all, I'm pleased to say that you can now undock panels and move them to a new location. This can either be free roaming, ideal if you're using multiple screens, or dock to preset locations. When dragging a new image into Authenticate, the filter output will switch back to the visual inspection to prevent the accidental processing of the last filter used. We have improved the behavior of the edge feathering in Annotate, which will now be dependent on the size of the reduction. And finally, we have updated our video decoding libraries to improve format support. And this is it for this update video. We really hope you enjoy the new features in Amped Authenticate. If you wish to pass on any feedback or ask for new features in Authenticate or any of our other products, then I can strongly recommend our Discord channel, which is open to all Amped users and well frequented by members and staff. You can also interact with us via our other social media platforms such as LinkedIn and YouTube. Now, thanks for watching, and until the next time, stay safe and take care.